said when you're going through those days, don't work out. So that is a myth. uh, First of all, every woman, every girl has a different body, and they get their cycles in a different way. Some get some have longer cycles, some have shorter cycles. Then uh, some people's period lasts for like 7 days, like it is extended till 7 days, and some get rid in like 3 days or 4 days. So we all are different. Some get like really painful. I'm one of those. I get really painful uh, periods, and some just don't feel it at all. It's like a regular day for them, like yeah, okay. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to understand your body. You need to understand what sort of cycle you have and how your body reacts to that cycle. Also, there are so many girls who come up to me and say that my cycle is irregular, or my cycle got irregular because of exercising. So first of all, proper diet and proper exercise actually makes your cycle regular. So all those people who are suffering from irregularity, you can try this, that you take a proper diet, start eating healthy, start working out a little. By workout, I don't mean just go to the gym and work out and stuff. You can start walking, just make yourself active, your body active, so that the everything starts working, coming to a function, the cycle gets regular eventually. To those who say that their menstrual cycle gets affected by working out or by indulging themselves in certain activity, check your diet. Diet can be one issue. And first thing first, go to a doctor and get yourself checked, that what is the reason. I understand the people, the girls who are like into athletics or are professionals in any field, they get irregularities, and that is normal. But there are medications and other things also for them. Even they consult a doctor. So for people who are really active and are professionally into some physical activities, for them it is okay, like you don't have to worry that much. But to those girls who are not so active and they are facing such problems, go to a doctor, get yourself checked. It is important. Now, menstrual cycle is something, now to those who have irregular menstrual cycles, or those who have PCOD or PCOS, these are certain problems that are really, that makes your body, what should I say, that makes really difficult for your body to respond or to show results. But that doesn't mean that it is not going to show results. Your body is a little sensitive because of having those problems, those hormones. So you need to work a little more harder, and you have to take a little more care about your diet, and you can actually do it. So there is nothing that can really affect your workout. Now, who can work out and who can't work out, or is working out during menstrual cycle is good? In my case, it is, because I get a really painful menstrual, that period is really painful. And firstly, when I started working out, my trainer said that you should not work out in those days. So I used to rest for 3 to 4 days. And that period used to be really, really painful. But eventually, when I started studying about it and I started following a few people and I saw a few athletes, everybody said that you can work out. And I tried doing that. I worked out, and trust me, the pain actually reduced. Because what happens is, when you work out, endorphin is that hormone that is released, and endorphin helps in decreasing. It's like a natural painkiller, so it does help in that way. But again, it depends on what sort of body you have, or what sort of menstrual cycles you have, because there are some cases where you can't even get up from your bed, or you feel like puking and other things like that. So if that severe is your case, then go to a doctor, consult a doctor. But if you think you can actually get up and work out, by working out I just mean do something physical, like either walking or just a little bit of exercise, just home workout maybe, or maybe just hitting your upper body or your shoulder, any smaller muscle. That I don't mean by doing that full-fledged heavy workout. Even I can't do that. So if you are from that category who really faces a lot of problem during your periods, if you can go for your workout, it is going to make it much better. Now for those who really don't make, like, for those there is no difference in a normal day and a period day, you can obviously work out and go. It is not going to harm you. So in my opinion, if you are having a proper diet and you're like regular with your workouts, trust me, there is going to be improvement in your cycle as well, because what we eat is very important, and that is the reason why everybody keeps on saying that specifically for girls, diet is very important. It is important for everybody, but specifically for girls, diet is very important. You need to take your nutrition, you need to take your protein, carbs and fiber in the right amount, because every month there is this period where your body is going through something that is difficult. It is definitely difficult. You're bleeding for like straight up for 3 to 4 days minimum. So you need to take care of yourself. You need to feed yourself, your body, and you need to give that extra care and nutrition to that. And having a proper diet and working out does help in it. By working out, I haven't seen anybody, and neither has it happened to me, that because of working out I had more pain, or I'm suffering from something. Yes, you need to take care of a few things, like when you're going through those days, avoid hitting abs. I mean, I can't do abs because my abdominal area is not that, like, it is fragile in that particular 3 days. So I personally avoid hitting abs, hitting back, and hitting my legs. Otherwise I do my shoulder, my arms, or my chest. I can do these things. I do these 3 in those, or I go for a walk or something. So yeah, so this is all about menstrual cycle. So it is a myth that you should not work out while going through your periods. You should work out if you can. Of course, you need to know your body, you need to know about your body, and the only way possible is to know your body is by experimenting with it. You have to get up and go and work out and see what happens to your body, how your body reacts. And fitness is that journey where you are actually getting to know yourself better, your body, how it works, what works for your body and what doesn't work for your body. So you need to get through the process, and it is a process. To all the girls, or not just girls, to everybody, working out a little. I don't mean by going to gym or doing a heavy workout. Even if you are going like a half-hour walk in your day, that is important. Do include it and be regular, disciplined with it. Do that every day and eat healthier. I know we live in times where there is so many easy ways to get food. We have processed food, we have Swiggy, Zomato and other stuff, but still try to have ghar ka khana and try to have healthy food. So yeah, that's it. This is all about menstrual cycle and workout. So if there is anything else you people want me to talk about, or you want me to make a video about, do comment down below, and keep supporting me the way